Okay, we're going to show how to find the curve here. This is the one that our friend says there is no curve in. I'll show you how easy it is. Use your screen grabber to grab a frame off of your video. There's the one I wanted to show right there. Take that frame and paste it into your favorite photo editor. We're going to use GIMP here. So we'll look around and find it. GIMP, new image. There you go. New image manipulation program. The GIMP did come from Linux. It's not a Windows program. It is available in Windows though. It works really well. So we're going to go ahead and open this thing. We're going to open up the screenshot in GIMP. We'll scale that thing up so we can see it good. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the scale of this photograph. We're going to compress the x-axis, but we're not going to mess with the y-axis. So the width is going to shrink. The height is going to remain the same. That will make any curves more accentuated. It won't make a new curve if there is no curve, but it will make the curve obvious if the curve is there. I contend that the curve is here, so let's zoom in. There we go. And go down to scale image there, will ya? We're a little slow today. And we'll unlink the height and the width because that's necessary. And we're going to change that width to a lower number. We're going to go to about, what, 240? 270? Something like that. Let's go to 220 or something like that. Just type a number, any number. Smaller than 941. Now anybody with a brain can see that there's curvature in this photo out the window of Anakin Skywalker's spacecraft here. But we're going to show it for the benefit of those less gifted than we are. So let's scale it and look at the curve. The curve is very, very visible. Let's do it again with a different width, just to show you that all you have to do is compress it widthwise and you'll see the curve. If it's a straight line, you'll see it's a straight line. Unlink, pick a smaller number, 300, and scale it. And there's your curve, clear as day. End of show. Thanks.